guys, what's up? In this tutorial I will tell you how can we add a new element in the list using Python. So there are two methods that we can use to insert new values inside a list. One is append and second one is insert. So we will use it one by one and we will see the difference. So if I want to use append function to add a new value, so I will simply type the name of the list and then dot append, and our this function only takes one value as an argument, that will be the value of the new addition. So here I have typed in donkey, and let's see how the list will look like later. So initially what happened, initially it has printed our list before this insertion, and what the append will do, it will always insert this new value, that it will only take one value, one parameter, that will be the value of the new addition of the list. So it will always add the new member at the end of the list. So what happened here, initially it before this insertion it looked like this, and then what the append function will do, it will add donkey at the end of the list. So now our list contains 6 elements. But if I wanted to insert any value in the middle or at the starting of the list, or if I know the length of the list, then using the index number, I can also add the last. I can also use insert to add the last add the new value in the end of the list. So let's see how can we use it. The insert will always take two parameters. One will be the index number in which you wanted to append that value, and second one will be the value of that element. So what I've typed in here, I've typed in my list name, that was animal, dot insert, that is my function, and my first parameter is the position where I wanted to add this new value. So what it will do, this is the index 0, this is at index 1. So what happened here, it will add element before cat, just after the first index it will add duck, that is like it will add duck here, it will add duck here, and then it will push the rest list forward. So now cat will be at position 2, dog will be at 3, 4 and 5. So let's remove it from here and then save it and then Control B. So what happened here is that initially it was, wait, okay, let's print it. Yes, initially donkey was added, this was our previous list, and then what happened, a duck is added at first index and the rest list has been pushed forward. If I wanted to add duck at the initial, then I will simply type 0 and it will add duck at the initial. If I knew the length of the list, then what I will do, I will simply type 7 and it will add duck at the end of the list. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to convey. If you find this tutorial useful, then give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, please, and if you have any queries regarding this video, then please mention it in the comment box. I will surely try my level best to help you out.